In Manipur, Mera Haukchongba, the Festival of Oneness, is being celebrated. At the occasion, titular King of Manipur, Laisemba Sanachauba, took part in different traditional rituals performed this morning at Sanakonung, the royal palace. A religious procession was also taken out from Sanakonung, which culminated at the sacred Kangla. Several priests and priestesses and a large number of people took part in the procession. Laisemba Sanachauba later performed the Mera Wayungba ritual at Kangla, the ancient capital of Manipur Kingdom. Various religious rites as well as rituals including Mera Santuba and Mera Kwaktanba etc. are performed during the festival for the well-being of the land and its people. A combined team of Bisnupur Commando and Moirang Police arrested one person along with 4 packets of opium weighing around 2 kg at Khosabung of Bisnupur district last evening. The arrested has bbeen identified as Pautinthang Haukip, age 43 years, son of late Lunjamang Haukip of Gothal village. The drug peddler along with the seized item was handed over to Moirang police station where a case was registered over the incident. Manipur Students Federation will organize an academic convention with an objective to promote better academic environment and for the betterment of the student community in the state. This was informed by President of MSF, Ngarianbam Milan, while addressing the closing function of 25th Foundation Day cum China Jubilee celebration held at Tidim Ground, Imphal today. The heat and dust of Jammu and Kashmir have hardly settled and the Narendra Modi government is getting engaged with Nagaland affairs and has fast-paced the process for an early solution to the decades-old Naga political problem, a media report said. On Saturday, some key representatives from the Naga national political groups also held a marathon meeting with Ravi. The centre has directed Governor Ravi to facilitate a crucial meeting of Naga tribal groups, influential Naga Baptist Church Council and village elders Naga Goan-Bura Federation in Kohima on October 18 or 19 to iron out differences, sources said. 3 proscribed militant groups, namely Coordination Committee (CORCOM), National Liberation Front of Tripura (NLFT) and Alliance for Socialist Unity Kangleipak (ASUK), have called for statewide Band on October 15 to protest against forced merger of Tripura and Manipur into the Indian Union. A combined team of Tawad Police Commando and 6 Assam Rifles under the overall supervision of the Superintendent of Police Thobal, Dr. S. Bomcha, arrested an arms dealer from Lilong Bazaar last night. As per reports, the man has been identified as 38 years old Muhammad Riazuddin alias Tomba, son of Muhammad Basiruddin of Lilong Turel Hanbi Mayalikai. The cops recovered 2 AK rifles with 2 magazines and 1 9mm pistol from his possession. Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam today inaugurated a new branch of Dyna Computer Center which is named KST Institute of Technology at Uripokachomlekai, Imphal. Typhoon Hagibis in Japan has taken 14 lives while at least 27 people remain missing, Kyodo News Agency reported today, media reports said. The reports said that the disaster had left about 150 people injured, with many rivers overflowing into residential areas across a wide area of the country. Rescue operations were underway in central, eastern and northeastern regions that were hit by floods and landslides.